guys, welcome back to my channel. New here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you are returning, hey, I missed you, girl. So today we are going to talk about something that is so important, because I've had to look up videos like this before. Okay, everybody has had a little. If you try to tell me you ain't never had no little issue, you lying.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm sipping my water right now, but this is, as I'm sipping this water, let's get into the number one thing that you need for a healthy, beautiful, strong vagina. Okay? Water. The significance of water, or even just hydrating in general, we take for granted sometimes. If you've been drinking Coca-Cola, Sprite, Red Bull, and liquor all weekend, of course, Monday morning, when you wake up to pee, you might possibly smell like a bull's ass. Okay? You might not smell right. Water. Lots of it. Nothing can substitute for water. Number two. This is my friend right here. You ever went into like an older lady house? This be next to the tub. I have no shame that this be next to my tub. She also has a friend that be next to the tub too, but my bag got a hole in it, so I can't show y'all right now. It's baking soda. Take a bath. Submerge her. Showers, I know people be like, oh, that's dirt. You're sitting in dirt. Well, sit in the dirt and submerge her, and then get out and take a shower if you want to rinse the dirt, whatever. But you need to submerge in some good stuff sometimes. This kills bacteria. It deletes scents. It tightens and restores after you know what. Okay? It's kind of not, I'm going to have to insert a clip because it's blurry. Boric Life suppositories. This one thing has changed my life. I used to get recurrent BV from my birth control. I had an IUD. If you get BV a lot and you don't understand why, and you have an IUD, do your research. Those IUDs need to come out. They hold bacteria. And so it got to the point, before I actually got it removed, that my gynecologist was like, you need to try boric acid suppositories. This works for yeast infections as well. You can pop this in after sex, just for a refresher. You put it in before you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, you will be released. If you have like a yeast infection, basically it's all gonna come back out with it. If you have BV, I would start with like 3 nights in a row. You can do it up to like 30 days, but this is just, at this point, because I've healed myself of my recurrent BV, this is just a refresher for me. If I feel like something's a little off, but not enough where you need to go all the way to the gynecologist, this is a lifesaver. This is also, people sell those Yanni pills that you insert, and it's supposed to make you, this is basically what this is. But the Yanni stuff might have like an added essential oil or something, but this is it. You can get this off of Amazon. Life changer. Okay, next thing is my Chlorofresh. This is chlorophyll, basically concentrated chlorophyll in pill form. You do not have to drink that stuff and add it to your water. This is an internal deodorant. Okay, internal deodorant. And this, if you sweat, you're not gonna have a smell. This minimizes, if not eliminates, morning breath. This gets rid of any smell on your body. Some women have a natural pheromone that they might not like, or that their partner might not like, whatever. This gets rid of all smells. Like, I love this stuff. You sweat. Like, I went to the gym this morning and I forgot to put on deodorant. I was telling my sister I'm sweating like a pig. She was like, girl, you finna be musty. I said, no, I'm not, because I take chlorophyll. Even your poop will be green, but even your poop has just a natural smell. It's no, it ain't that. It's this. This is it. Amazon as well. I will put the link in my description. Next thing, my label is a little tore up. This is Sweet Cheeks. I got this. I will put the website. This is for my girls that sweat down there. I sweat like in my butt crack and in my inner thigh. So this, and I love anything peach scented. So this, you put this in your creases and I'm telling you, you're going to smell good all day long. And it's just like a deodorant, you know. So it's not anything too much, but you just need a little swipe. It's getting hot outside, y'all. Like, this is a lifesaver. This smells so good. Like, it's just, I like to have layers of natural, beautiful smells coming from me. So this just adds to your hygiene routine every day. This is a keeper, okay? Last, but certainly not least, is your organic coconut oil, okay? Coconut oil fights bacteria. If you need to, especially my girls that shave, even if you wax, but if you shave, nair, whatever, you need to moisturize down there. This helps. If you're putting all them other kind of oils, that ain't gonna help. If anything, that's gonna make you sweat more, but this is actually, and that may give you an infection as well, but this actually helps kill bacteria. It keeps your skin so beautiful and so soft, and it is safe for the poom poom to moisturize your poom poom with this, okay? So all that collectively is the recipe. You know what I'm trying to say? That's the recipe. I will never lead you astray. Try it. Y'all guys, I'm telling you, if you are suffering, if you experience, you know, your confidence level will just go up knowing that everything is everything. We are not supposed to smell like flowers and, you know, summer's eve. These are natural, beautiful smelling things that are going to have your pH right, your health internally also correct, okay? And another thing I don't have to show you guys on camera, stay away from those scented washes and all that. Honey Pot has changed their formula. Before they did change their formula from being natural, I had bought a couple bottles, so I'm stocked up. But one thing that has never failed me, and it might be weird to some, but one thing that has never failed me, that has never thrown off my pH balance, is Dial soap. I preferably like the orange gold bar. I just feel like it really helps. It is an antibacterial soap and it's never thrown me off. And I feel like I feel the cleanest down there with that. So you don't got to spend all that extra money on all those soaps. Just do it. I'm telling you. In the comments or DM me, let me know if you guys have tried these products before. If you do try these products and it works for you, you can send me a private message. I want to know what the results are. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.